Hey guys, my name is Faes, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create these beautiful defined curls and which mistakes to avoid. Let's hop right into the shower first. My curly hair type is 3B, 3C curls, and I also have high porosity hair. This hairline, it's called Davines. The shampoo, the leave-in, and the conditioner have been working wonders on my hair, guys. So if you're looking for something new, maybe try this one out if you have a similar hair type than me. The first thing I do in the shower is get my hair properly wet. And if you have curly hair, high porosity, this can take ages. Number one, the first thing that is really important for frizz-free and defined curls is to section your hair and properly wash your curls. Sorry, my German is coming through. Section your hair and get the shampoo everywhere, on the scalp, on the lengths, on the ends. I know some people say that you don't need to put it on the lengths, on the ends, but I don't do this, and if I don't wash my ends, guys, my hair turns out frizzy. So properly wash your hair and then move on to step number 2, the hair mask. When you're using a hair mask, make sure to get it everywhere. On the roots, on the lengths, and on especially the ends, because the ends is the oldest part of your hair and most of the time the driest part. In this part as well, you focus on working in sections to make sure the product gets everywhere. And highly recommend also brushing the product through just to make sure every hair strand gets in contact with the hair mask. For hydration, I recommend using heat on your hair through a heating cap, for example. I didn't have the time for it that day, so I just went on doing my shower routine. I make sure to leave it in at least for 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure my hair gets hydrated properly. Number 3, styling your hair and working in very small sections. I did this mistake for such a long time. I worked in larger sections and was wondering why my hair is frizzy. I thought it's my hair pattern, but no, it was the part that I'm not actually working in very small sections. So if you're not doing this, I highly recommend trying it out and see how it turns out. Another thing I did wrong is I didn't use enough of water. I don't know why, but I was scared of using too much water because I was always afraid that my clothes will go wet. So if you're afraid that your clothes will go wet, I just recommend wearing a shirt where you actually don't care about it getting wet. So yeah, use enough of water. This is very, very important too. And another mistake you could be doing is simply not using enough of product. Number 4, drying your hair properly. This part is so underrated but also so important, because if you go to bed with wet hair, you could get hair mold. Did you know that? I am using the Flex Style all-in-one hair dryer, and I can highly recommend it. It does a really great job. Drying your hair properly also sets your curls, and you can shape it into your desired frame and shape. Also, when you're not already sleeping with the hair bonnet, you should do this. Oh my god, I feel so sorry for your hair if you're not doing this already. This is the final result. My hair is curly, defined, frizz-free, and voluminous. If you haven't tried these tips already, I highly recommend to do so. I wish someone has told me when I was younger, but I found out throughout the years, and I hope I can help you, or at least a bit. Follow me for more content like this. You can also follow me on Instagram or on TikTok. And yeah, let's see each other next week. Bye!